So I just finished my little project, and now the world's smallest bolt cutter just got smaller. If you want to know more about why I did this modification, I will leave a link in description for the video where I explain what I intend to do and how I intend to modify this tool, and for what purpose. So go watch that one. This is just with the final result, and this is what we've got. So I kind of achieved my goal. My goal was to cut at least 50 grams out of the weight of it and to make it small enough to be comparable with the Knipex Cobra XS, so that I can take it with me while fishing, especially when I'm wading or fishing from the shore, and not feel its weight and size. So I got it down to roughly 135 millimeters from 160, which is I believe what I'm comfortable with right now. And this is how it looks in comparison with Leatherman Arc or the Cobra XS. Yeah, I'll take those away. Weight wise, I missed my goal by, let's see, 2 grams. So I managed to reduce the weight of it with 48 grams. Initially the weight of it was 197 grams. So this is what I've got now, 149. So that I will consider that satisfactory for my needs. So let's take this out of the way. The hardest part was to remove the grip from it. That was the part that gave me the most headache. Eventually I managed to do it, and I did preserve it, but in a different form, because while cutting it and grinding it, I also added 2 more tools to it. So I added a pry bar on the back, also nail puller type pry bar with a notch there for easier access, and I also added a screwdriver, so again for any silky saw or anything else like that. I wanted to have this with me, this functionality with me, because it made sense. So I did manage to achieve what I wanted. If I take the entire grip off, you'll see kind of how much I've been grinding from it, and I'm not able with the tools I have to grind it in such a way that I will have an Y-beam configuration on the handles, and I don't did what I could to preserve kind of a triangular shape in cross section, so that will give me the strength I needed in the handles. And I diminished that part over there, the grip, wire grip or plier part of it, just a bit, so that when I grip it, I will not grip my own skin there. I will not pinch my skin. And so I took all unnecessary weight I could out of it, and as well I managed to grind the tip of it just a bit to give it more access when I have to work against something. Yeah, so if I have to go against something, I will have more access and direct access to pinch and cut. Yeah, so now if you compare, these tools are doing the same thing. Both of them are made to cut 3 millimeters piano wire. Now this is double the size and the weight right now, so I'll say it will be handy to have this little tool. I tried not to grind too much from the rivets there, so I will preserve the strength of them. I just rounded a bit the tip of the tool, again to give it more access in tight places. So actually, if you compare it with this side cutter here, you'll see that they are kind of the same right now. So yeah, that worked quite well for me. So I preserve the grip because it's a bit more comfortable, and this way, even if I will carry 10 more grams in weight just for the grip alone, I prefer it that way because I reduce quite a bit the leverage by shortening the handles, so I have to apply more force, and with that any imperfection in the handle I will feel directly in my hand. So yeah, I believe the question remains if it will cut. So of course it will. These are some of the biggest fishing hooks over there. They are on frogs, usually bigger in wire diameter, yeah, so close to 2 millimeter wire, hardened wire, so that's doable. For something smaller, now I get the reach, and I'm able to go underneath the barb as I wanted. Previously it was a bit more difficult due to the shape of the tip of the plier, yeah, so I'm able to put it in there right now. So if I want to cut this down, it's no problem as well. And if I want to cut bolts, I did some slicing just to test it previously. It will be a bit trickier. This is actually a 3 millimeter deck screw, so it's quite hard. You have to do it in 2 stages, just because you don't have the leverage anymore. But as you can see, it works, it's usable, it's small, and it's light right now. So I did preserve these kind of flaps on the grip there, because when you go close to it, I don't want to feel the rim of the grip if I cut it even, so that will fold onto the metal part and will still provide some cushioning there, some a bit more comfort, yeah. This is what I ended up with. So I achieved my goals. So I wanted to have the weight of this combined to be the weight that I started with just one tool. If you want to see how much it disappeared, this is my initial drawing where I took the contours before I started working on it. Yeah, so some there, some here, and some on the handles as well, and the shape of the plier head. So yeah, this is what you can use. Let me know if you are interested in something like this. Put a comment in the description below. Maybe Knipex will be interested in making something like that. I believe it has value not only in fishing but also in EDC environments, in some professions. where wire is used enough, you may find the value in having something small in your pocket to be able to cut wire. So I'm thinking about electricians and maybe welders out there. They will be finding this interesting, but that's my opinion. So let me know what is yours. Other than that, enjoy your day and have a good one.